when visiting AM.CO.za. A regular buzzword you might hear is "buy this," and that's because the sales team is driving the clients to the Buythis.co.za online store for an easy-to-browse, easy-to-purchase experience. It's the same thing as someone telling you to go to Takealot, for example, only that Buythis specialises in the online sales of all things AM.CO.za. Actually, Buythis PTY Ltd was registered way back in 2011, but only started gaining traction in 2020 when online shopping began to boom. And because of that, our shareholder, Cornerstone Trust, pushed the launch button. So the brand was further developed in Cape Town and fully implemented at the Johannesburg branch. The AM.CO.za headquarters is situated in Sunnyrock, Johannesburg, in a centralized location on the East Rand, just off the N12 highway, next to Edenvale and Bedford View, and a mere 10 minutes from the Tambo International Airport. It boasts a 6,000 square meter floor area, which includes sales, support, and the warehouse, all under one roof. And it is at the warehouse that your Buythis order is dispatched from. Now, with literally thousands of different type of products available at the warehouse, ranging from really tiny to super large, another sister company, Fulfillment Global, developed the Fulfillment Warehouse app to manage every single item with individual barcoding for precision location and history tracking, which plays right into the hands of your Buythis experience, making it fast and precise. And that's how the Buythis online store works. Simply place your order and collect it at the warehouse. Or we can send it to you via courier companies. In fact, you will be pleased to know that free nationwide shipping applies to most orders. So, enjoy your virtual browsing experience with all of AM.CO.za's offerings available at your fingertips. Happy online shopping at Buythis.co.za.